Since life began on planet Earth, 5 catastrophic disasters have tried to wipe out every single life form. The first mass extinction event took place around 445 million years ago during the Late Ordovician period. However, the End-Cretaceous mass extinction event is the most famous extinction event. It occurred around 66 million years ago and marked the end of the dinosaurs' reign. A massive asteroid fell on planet Earth. The impact triggered colossal wildfires, global cooling due to the release of dust and ash into the atmosphere, and also the fall of acid rain. 75% of all species went extinct. Now, 186 million years before this End-Cretaceous mass extinction event, another mass extinction event took place, the End-Permian Mass Extinction event. According to scientific research, it is the deadliest and the biggest natural disaster in the history of life on planet Earth. It occurred about 252 million years ago during the Permian period. Due to its catastrophic nature, it was named the Great Dying. Over 90% of all marine and terrestrial species went extinct. The exact cause of this event is still debated among scientists, but it is believed to have resulted from a combination of volcanic activity, climate change, and ocean acidification. Despite all these catastrophic disasters, one animal has survived to date, irrespective of all the harsh conditions that took place millions of years ago. Meet the Limulus polyphemus, simply known as the horseshoe crab. Horseshoe crabs have a lineage dating back hundreds of millions of years, making them living fossils. These creatures have seen the supercontinent form and break apart again. They have existed on planet Earth for about 450 million years, nearly half a billion solid years, which is about 250 million years before the age of dinosaurs, witnessing the rise and fall of numerous plant and animal species. To put this into perspective, this is over 10% the entire age of the planet. This makes it one of the most ancient animals ever identified. The first ancestors of crabs can be linked to an ancient group of marine arthropods called the Anomura, which lived during the late Paleozoic era, approximately 500 million years ago. Despite the name crab, horseshoe crabs are more closely related to spiders and scorpions than true crabs, making them a distant relative of the Jacalopterus rhinania, also known as the sea scorpion, reaching lengths of up to 8.5 feet. As at now, 4 species of horseshoe crabs exist. These ancient creatures primarily inhabit shallow coastal waters. The earliest horseshoe crab fossils dates back over 450 million years to the Late Ordovician period. Their horseshoe-shaped carapace, which covers most of the body, gives them their common name. Beneath the carapace, their body is divided into 3 main segments: the prosoma, the opistoma, and the telson. On the prosoma, you will find 2 large compound eyes, along with several smaller eyes, all amounting to 10 eyes. They have 6 pairs of legs, with the front pair adapted to pincers for capturing prey and moving debris. Adult horseshoe crabs typically measure about 1.6 feet in length, with females being slightly larger than males. They have strong book gills found on the other side of their abdomen. Book gills are respiratory structures responsible for extracting oxygen from the water. As a matter of fact, this organ is found in scorpions as book lungs. The blood of horseshoe crabs is blue in color. This blue copper-based blood of horseshoe crabs contains a substance called Limulus amoebocyte lysate, making it one of the most valuable and expensive liquids on the planet. As a matter of fact, a single gallon of a horseshoe crab's blood can cost about $65,000. In this procedure, horseshoe crabs are captured, bled and then released back into the wild. The properties in the horseshoe crab's blood, like the limulus amoebocyte lysate, is a highly valuable substance for detecting bacterial endotoxins in medical applications. Few decades ago, every new vaccine that is created needs to be injected into rats or rabbits just to check the potency of the vaccine and the presence of toxins. If the rodent survives with perfect results, it means the vaccine is healthy for use. However, if the rodent dies, it means the vaccine is contaminated. But now, with the help of horseshoe crab's blood, this test can be carried out within just 30 minutes. American scientist Frederick Bank discovered this valuable substance in the early 1950s. This is the Busy IQ. Subscribe for more science videos.